During the fertilization process, sperm meets with egg. When sperm and egg they meet with each other, they form zygote. Zygote is then eventually developed into the blastocyst. In the sperm, we have discussed earlier that sperm connects with egg, and then egg and sperm they combine and they form zygote. Zygote and eventually develop into the blastocyst. Zygote is converted to blastocyst, and when blastocyst is formed here in the fallopian tube in ovary, it comes from the fallopian tube into the uterus, and on the uterine wall, this blastocyst connect on the uterine wall in the ovary, in the uterus. The blastocyst come here in the uterus and connect on the uterine wall. Zygote, in after fertilization, zygote is developed and it converted to two cell stages. These stages are this stage and this stage. These are called blastomeres. And eventually it convert to 4-cell stage, and after that in day 2 to 4 it is converted to 8-cell stage, and 8-cell stage to it is converted to 16-cell stage. This 16-cell stage is called morula, and these cells are protected by this outer layer called zona pellucida, and this eventually converted to trophoblast, and this layer is called trophoblast, and this layer inside this structure inside the called blastocoel, and this entire structure is called as blastocyst. So in day 5 blastocyst is formed. So zygote was converted to trophoblast in day 5. Zygote was transferred to trophoblast by going from morula. Morula is 16-cell stage. This trophoblast is formed, and this structure inside the trophoblast is called as embryoblast. It becomes fetus. This embryoblast is converted into fetus, and where this all cluster of cells is located inside the blastocyst, this is called as embryonic pole. This is called embryonic pole, where this structure is located. And in day 4 it hatches from zona pellucida, this blastocyst. In the uterus, this blastocyst come from fallopian tube and it attaches on the uterine wall, and this is called syncytial trophoblast. When this blastocyst is connected with the endometrium is basically wall of the uterus, and there are 3 walls of uterus: endometrium, myometrium, and perimetrium, or I think so, epimetrium. So with the help of L-selectin, this blastocyst is connected with the uterus. So in the ovary, where egg was fertilized, corpus luteum is produced, and it produces more progesterone. Progesterone is produced by corpus luteum in the ovary. So it engorges the wall, the blood vessel inside the endometrium, and they become large and coiled. So this structure is called syncytial trophoblast. This takes place around day 7. Now we will discuss about the whole process. This process, zygote in day 1 to day 2, it is converted to 2 cell stage. This 2 cell stage is called this 2 cell stage, then it converted to 4 cell stage, then it converted to after day to 8 cell stage, and into eventually into 16 cell stage. This 16 cell stage called morula. So eventually after day 5 it is converted to blastocyst. It has embryonic cells as well as all structures. This embryonic cyst is converted to at day 7. This embryonic cyst, blastocyst is converted to attach at endometrium. Around day 7, it is attached with endometrium, and when the progesterone is released by corpus luteum in the ovary, so it increases progesterone level, increases thickness of the blood vessel inside the endometrium, that is wall of the uterus. So this takes place in the 1 week or day 7.